To start a Pear Deck lesson with your students, you want to go to Add-ons, open Pear Deck, and then you will want to start the lesson. Do not hit Present. This will open it up in a Google slide and remove all interactive features. Now, if you hit the Start lesson, all those interactive features will work. You can do the student-paced activity or an instructor-paced activity. From here, we're going to choose the instructor-paced activity. But what is nice is I can toggle in between instructor-paced and student-paced if I would like. So I'm going to open up the instructor-paced activity. Students will get the join code for them to join in. They will log into joinpd.com and type in the code. I can open the teacher dashboard. I can also send the students a link. This is great to do in a chat while in Zoom. Once you click on Open Teacher Dashboard, you will be brought to this page. Now, for this video, I am using a previously completed lesson. So you will notice that my class roster says 0 out of 16. When you are in live view and have students, this will all be updated in real time, and you'll be able to see which students have logged in. From here, you can also add a co-teacher if you would like, or you could add a co-teacher here by Invite Co-Teacher. You will then send a link to the co-teacher and they will be able to make comments and leave feedback in real time as well. While in the teacher dashboard, I have quite a few options. You will notice that all of the students' names are posted along with their responses. When I go to show the responses to the students in presentation mode, you will notice that all of the students' names have disappeared. Now I can show this in two ways, one in the grid view or in the list view. I'm partial to the grid view because I can see more of the students' responses. When I hit hide responses, it goes back to the original slide screen. Now, from here, I can move forward through the next screen. You'll notice here it says 16 out of 16 responses. That lets me know that every student has responded. When I go to the teacher dashboard, I can see all of the students' responses. I can star these answers here and show those to the students. Now, there's only 2 responses instead of all of them. I can go back to the hide screen and remove those stars by clicking on the star or clear stars. Also, I can leave feedback for the student. And send feedback. Now, what I can also do is lock the screens. This stops the student from being able to change their answers as we are going through the project. Now, if I would like, I can click on New Prompt and add other text, draggables, or numbers. I can use pre-made slides as well. While in the lesson, if I would like to turn on the self-paced mode and allow students to work at their own pace for a bit, I can turn on the self-paced mode. This will allow students to work at their pace and stop when they are ready. If I would like to stop the student-paced activity at any point in time, I can click on this icon here. The nice part is it will bring everyone back to the screen that I am on. When I am finished with my lesson, I can click End. Now, what's nice is this little icon here will tell me to publish student takeaways. This will automatically email the students their responses, the slides, and my feedback.